I dey greet everybody today. Today na the 28th of May 2020. I just be sorry say I just come live again wey I no say tell una today. Before we standing, I don tell una say once in a while go dey happen. So I just come to talk with una so una know una countryman Junior Okana Siri closing. I just come just pass some information for this Amber Boys today for Butch to make them understand something. And any man wey feel say if you like get my number, if you can talk to me or call me or do one kind of thing, if you do and then I can answer some one question for some my brother maybe asked me yesterday. Most of them asked me most of I didn't believe of some days back, but one joke can make a bit clear today so that I know if to repeat myself because I say I talk one after the other, it will worry me better. So my joke talk to everybody that when you follow me like you understand and you know what if you do. Thank you very much. You should come live, share with me. Okay, as you come live, just press your share button, share, and you press up share. Yeah. I bet I should come live, share with me. So I'm gonna go for the message proper. Without I not go waste much of our time to just know una countryman again, Okana Siri Clovis, Virginia. I say I can talk to my country people them and I get a message for pass across for everybody. If he pretend to be Amazonian fighter or he be one of them, I get a message for you. And I want answers on one of my brother their questions. They ask me say wait to be DDR, no way to be DDR. So today I will just enlighten them for them, make they understand what they get for no, so that no go see ask me some other time again because I believe that some time back if you go for back I don't answer this question, but notwithstanding I'll just make it now very clear for everybody for understand. Yeah. First of all, I don't shit on this morning time today, some couple of hours ago. So one person called my phone. He tell me say he be Amazonian Defense Force, that is ADF. Say some woman don't take so I laugh. Say some woman don't take my picture. Can't get for them. Say I be waiting. I dey work with military. I dey do this. I dey do that. Say I don't talk. Say the go Nigeria go take medicine for can't see woman. Then this. I mean I dey play the record self way. The fool call me, then I get message I post them across for all una know which I'm supposed to know. Yes. Now in this. Muna hear am.
Some two soldiers have already recognized you. They know you very well.
Now which woman that?
You always going to have someone call me for hear from you.
Now which woman that?
You will know the woman.
Then tell me no
You will know the woman. The one that will call you.
I will know the woman.
I don't want to say Mona just hear am small so that Mona know where to at the talk. But I want to tell you something. I don't go search the man in name. In name na Bakum Samuel. Na in name that nobody can message me. Na the name that we dey inside the number for mobile money. The name we use and call me. Na the name that we use and the terrorists. Yes. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you one for all the fighters there for Ground Zero. I'm making me understand, say, I don't know no government, no country that exists like Amazonian. Amazonian they exist. It's not a country. Now for Facebook, it end. So when you message me, talk, say, be ATF, that, Amazonian Defense Force, you ask me now kind of question. Something that exists like Amazonian Defense Force for the Cameroon. We're going to only one single military force when the Cameroon army, the Ghanaian military, now I know. Anything concerning that, na fake and a thief. And the other kind of thing. And be making me understand, say, I see call you back. I tell you, say, me, I go advise you, I will see advise you now, maybe here. I want to give the advice that may go for everybody. I don't want to call you in person. For tell you, because I advise you, cut and fear. I want to tell you, say, first of all, my advise you, my brother. I don't carry that gun like you. I don't even fight past you. That thing no get nothing inside. Na scam, na thief, na propaganda, na lies telling. You do waste your life for nothing. You die like others. Nobody will remember you. I be tell you say, me tell me play for meet up here. I go meet up here. Me I tell her for boya. They boya now presently. I tell her for class court and make her meet on me. He tell me say fear. He off the phone. Look at me. I tell her something. When I want do down and nonsense, when I do shit done, or if you say if you get all man get Clovis picture, all man get Clovis face, all man. Any man get my number go to the platform. My number is 681 26 76. 681 60 26 76. Now my number that way everybody get them. So not be if you say you go call you any man get my number, any man get my picture. You tell them give my picture. You take the picture you can do to what do with them. You ask me question. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Use and do what you want to do with that way so you go fit. Not to make empty mouth talk to people. I don't tell una say I know my enemy when me I get them. Now that thing them for diaspora where they manipulate when I go die. Ganzero father not my enemy. None of you will stand when people want fight back. None of you stand up. Now why that way see people like who don't lie, no matter what you not talk, who no get with go understand saying and manipulation. Understand saying they just mislead you. None of you understand because one fight back, now don't stand for side. If fear, he tell me say no, you know tell me, you know me I go call you kelebe. You know fine, you know if you stand, if you want fight with, you know if you stand the military. Baby, you could accept say a army, you fear a colleague army. You never ask a question, yourself a question. For 4 years, 3 years to that fight to 4 years, you never take one eye village controller like your own, so be military. Is that not madness? Is that not stupidness? Or to this time, you still fight? Or to this time, you still get the ambition to kill people, say black leg? My brothers, now what's kind of madness? Why we just be very stupid? So why? Well, no one will get sense. There is nothing inside this thing. There's nothing, absolutely nothing. You just say any man will just come on and one so woman. So people just shoot to the Trump for road and say na innocent people. But you know what they do? You know what they do for behind? When you want to call me next time, call me say Clovis. Ma tell you Ambazonan boy. Never you in your life call my number where you don't want my help. No call me, no message me, so you talk rubbish. If you want to come surrender, I can get a business with you. But as you stay for bush, me I don't get no business. As long as you stay for that bush, me I don't get no business. When you want to come out, you need my help, I will help you. Very easily, but out of that, me and you may be friends. As you still there for that bush, you see key innocent people there every blessed day and night, all in the name of struggle and fake, me and you may be friends. If you be friend, and when you decide, you drop your gun, you come and say, where Clovis, I beg, I need your help. At the camp, I want to surrender, I will help you. Peacefully, you come on, no stress, no man will touch you, no nothing will do you. When you fear for go by yourself. Now the only thing that will help you. When you get out of that, no message me, you be fighter. You never no call me, you no need for you whether you be who, you be who. When you want, I want to make a number, whether you be who smile, she don't fake profile picture, they talk nonsense. You take fake number if you call people. They are named this way, put up you will be arrested as a talk. That's what will happen. Because they go around to write people. The number already published a number already. An Ambazonan terrorist. The name of Campus Samuel, he did it now. Now they use you access it because I get evidence and fact because you talk to me say the Amber fighter from ATF. Exhibit day, everything day. I don't need for the story one why they call me. I want to pass the information clear when I say, man, tell me something. There is nothing say Ambazonan struggle with me, Clovis, I don't know. Nothing. There is no secret without this you can have me, I don't know. That thing are fake. If for the work, you know for the die. That thing are fake, you know the work. Now nonsense. You know what thing that thing is done for your skin? You start carry Odeshi for 4 years, they see shoot you the fall and pick. They be lie with so they need to die for Odeshi, but not to die in numbers. My brother, the one that will get sense. Now this small 10 franc there for bush. Hey, my brother, I'm an advice for you and say waiting. There is only 2 things involved. Drop your gun, you save your life, or you be compromised. That's all. Because Ambazonia will never and ever exist. It end up for social media, so it end. That is simple truth. Yes. And even you feel some person fit exist, where you there for diaspora, on for side, on for Cameroon, where you there, you have to fake Facebook for a right. If you are a man, can't try like me as I try. Go for that bush, go try, come back, I start for you. Not begin make mob. Not begin make mob with people the way they don't do and come back. Go try them. We should say, I pass you 100 times. Before you want to talk to me, think well. Before you want to think of evil for do am, think well. If you want to think of evil for do am, think well. Things times 2, so wait if it happen for you tomorrow. By me, you have to come back times 3. Think am. My brother them. We not be enemy. We are brothers. We don't all we meet to Abide Leona before for the very scam Leona. Abide for the very shoe. But I don't understand. Now whether I want to put my face here for a life and say, brother man, we not drop it in and save on a life or not die for nothing. We inflict pain on our own blessed day and night. Why? If you give me any reason why you see fight, the answer is no. You dey fight for waiting. For waiting. Man will just say fight. You dey fight for your right. Tell me can carry that very gun fight with you. It no go ever come. But you see put your door saying you fight every day. For how many years today? One eye don't come for ground here. Can you see how on relief? The answer is no. None of them know any pass for guys how on relief. For if you got people to go back, no one. But I still keep on the fight. People that don't even say know them. They get their own selfish interest. You live with the lotion, say Ambazonian. What a madness. You fight for waiting. If you tell me one territory you don't take them, you show kind of social media. Say be fighter, be this, that. If you show me one village you don't control them for 2 hours, where means you cannot run. If you tell me 1 military barrack you don't take and control as on your own, go take the camp, you should not on top. For 1 hour, I mean it takes a 1 military camp, you know, for 1 hour. Me no mean she no come see, that be man picking. For she say dating and losses, we never go nowhere. Dating no get head and tail. Una then na for forest where you know, na never know where they go. What you can do is to turn back, come back home, embrace the peace and the love. You live a good life. You have a bright future. No fee say you no fit do better thing for your future. Please listen and understand. Any person where you know say this thing fine, when they see push people they give you advice, tell you say make can carry that gun enter for bush. Tell you don't tire, make her take that gun to start for play on her end, make continue. I see some food that people that their account they talk say why you do run. Play where any man live the struggle. If he hurts you, go start from that place that man live and continue. If you now me say go start for play and leave my position there for they go take the very gun try. If you go fit, don't be kidding make up. My brothers tell people that also they understand that the year. More 1 year, it go year. But one make them understand say no. You no be na all corn, sit for corn, we plant and for bush go grow. One they go grow, one they will grow very fertile, one they will grow for some kind of way. Why do they must die? My brother, I want to tell you say no talk say I get time, you don't know tomorrow. How sure you know say now they talk for you so they could break you never die. My brother, your time there for front, time no day, think, leave that to save your life. Thank you very much. Then that my brother a question, if he ask me say, wait to be DDR center, if he tell me say, so other fighter come me say, wait drop your gun, they'll give wait, they'll do that, they'll do waiting. Good and fine. I will answer your question very clean and clear. And for the last time, make man not answer me this very question again. Because I don't make it possible that I can 2 times for answer this very question. First of all, I will first abbreviate you wait to be DDR. The full meaning for DDR na NDDR. Whether instant waiting, national disarmament and demobilization. They also have a reintegration of ex-Ambazonian fighter. For friends, say ex-combatant. People they don't really for drop down their gun by their own self when no man will force them. When you move that N, you get DDR. When disarmament and demobilization and reintegration, where it means say you first accept, say you want peace, you drop your gun, the disarmament The demobilization where they come, they can enter inside the center. First, they will take you, go to therapies. When I mean, you know, say, most of una fighter, una no fine. We don't take so many drugs, una no fine. Tramadol, Caillou, cocaine. Other audacious, that whiskey, who got money time, you never chop. The drink that whiskey, it destroy your system. No future, the better your future, na lie. It destroy your system. You need to go through that process to better yourself, make yourself look healthy. You know, say the mentality don't put on for your brain about the government, say the government bad. You need to move on for your brain, say no, the government, na your country. You need to know say that animal where they fight and everybody shoot on yourself, na your brother. You need to get the love. We don't develop the love, the calmness. With that specific shot, I'm a bow, just shoot it. You don't come off for your second because that time una get the anger so much for una mind. Where you must go through therapies. You don't oversee blood. You know, if you just take you disarm, send back the population. No, because you will be a threat to the population. You must pass through therapies before they reintegrate you back for society, for better your future, for contribute to the development of this field for this country. No man need to kill you. May you understand. So they don't integrate the first batch. They pass through the same process, but they don't integrate them now. They do better for the people that they work today. So you too, you must go through the process. Like how me too, I don't go through the process. Very soon, the second batch can be integrated. My brothers, that's what DDR mean. Number two, I will say make everyone understand, DDR is not a prison. First of all, we need to understand. Because no man will force you to come for here. Now your willingness to come for here. Where it means say you don't look and say what should you do, I'm a very bad thing. You decide to drop your gun down. You decide to save your life and save your people their life. You can't say, well, Papa, I don't do mistake. You come. They go grant you amnesty. Listen, me I educate you, so I don't understand. Amnesty, they need to cry, they need to count how many evil you don't do, what you don't commit them, your atrocities you don't do them, nobody to judge you. They already, if you get amnesty, they already forgive you for everything where you don't do, and the government already forgive you. Now, you start a new life. They are new learner determine the type of person you be tomorrow in the society. If you want to decide to go back in criminal act, they will get you arrested and jail you for it. They will judge you like a normal person. Yes, that's what you know. So that's what they are there. That's what they think they because they don't carry post, they don't integrate your society. You start better your life. You must not say because at least they don't carry go through that therapist. They don't make you, say your brain. You don't get forget that kind of anger. You need to calm down. So situation, some have slap you so you come go, you don't more react. So kind of things there. So that may that anger in you, that bloodshed on the share may come out of your mind. You better your future tomorrow. So may you know say DDR, first of all, is not a prison. DDR not been a military running. Not been a military to run DDR. DDR they under the Minister of Territorial Administration, which is civilian running, which now Paul Atanganji. Then you get Fayongo Francis, where now the Minister of Disarmament. He did for both Northwest, Southwest. For this Anglophone crisis, a great time for day. You need to understand. So that's what DDR day. DDR not been a place for go, not been a prison, not been a place where you go to kill you. From the DDR center where you day, you will benefit some little things the way if he help you tomorrow after to be integrated. The other don't see me for farm. Where I be struggle do 1 or 2 crops them. That one out of my own willingness. Nobody someone force me. No. Because I look as I feel learn that it go help me tomorrow. Even after my integration, even if I which can I play where I work tomorrow, for which can I play I fit be tomorrow, I fit be able to turn around, make my small agriculture for my corner house, the chop with my family tomorrow, I start bill tomorrow. Because now they start a new life. Now they start a new life. We never get no life, we don't get nothing. Now we reintegrate to society, so we start a new life. When we say, I learn that thing now for say, if he assist me tomorrow, you learn driving too for year. The necessity. If you know, I'm getting small thing that already go on for year. Where if you help yourself for the little of time where you go be, you feel be able for the real for at least get that small knowledge, that basic knowledge that will help you tomorrow for your life. Yes, it will help you tomorrow for your lifestyle. That's so the process there. No business until someone will fool you every day. I believe say when they use on our brain, when they use on our emotion. Mona understand very well. Number 3 part, you ask me say, wetin government go do am for you when you drop your gun? Beautiful question. I go answer you perfect. One, I will ask you say, wetin you go do am for Cameroon government? Wetin you go do am for Cameroon government? Now first you go ask yourself. Number 2, as I answer that question, I say wetin. Then you be carry gun enter for bush. How much Ambazonian government be don pay you for risking your life or die for nothing? They scam you, fool you, enter for bush. You want someone that want me to give you money, may they award you. Is that not madness? For which way you do am? You must think about that. Surrender, you gain your amnesty, they reintegrate so that you better your future. More understand. Number, wait, I'll still tell you again. I say, wait, I might tell you something. When you drop your gun, you never do Nami Clovis good. No one day. You never help me for no way for my life. Nothing no done for me. No. You never do Cameroon government no good when you drop your gun. You never do it favor. You never do President Paul Biya favor. No one day. You never do our Prime Minister Joseph Dongute any favor. You don't do no person. You don't do my countryman, the king of all black, like a favor. No. You don't do yourself a favor. Now your life not be my life. If you die, now you don't die, now me I die. I get my life to live. You already die, you don't die. You must understand, say, first of all, you drop your gun and to save your own life. You do want me to pay you for save your life? That is madness. Now I go ask you, say, wait, if you drop that gun, you go save your community for your own atrocity the way they commit for the people. That papa, if you get for killing in a black leg, you know will kill you again. That girl will go holy, forcefully holy by before you rape am, sleep on night, do am not a day. If it I don't say on a done a lie, no be one, no be two. I don't just case on a door. I know how to call name for here. We do all the thing them. Or do all the thing, nothing the way you want to talk to person, no. You don't save now who? You don't save now your little sister. You go kidnap person. You kidnap now who? Now your own brother. But when you surrender, you don't save that stuff for kidnapping. Your village, your community where you come, they will get a peaceful life. Life will turn back to normalcy. Like their life will different village because you are present different village. People go die. Now normal thing that way they. As you be armed by them for any community, people go die because you are there for that community. By you killing them, you the amber fighter, or you go exchange bullet between you and the Cameroon military. Because the Cameroon military they protect integrity for the country. By exchanging those bullets, stray blood will go pass around, pit in nonsense civilian will go die for nothing. At the tail end, we go publish and we cry a genocide. When a baby lie, when I will start them. Because wait, that's why they don't fool we. They will take that very picture and now go for their embassy them, go to immigration office, go take them, cry, they give them asylum, they give them better job, they give them better house, they stay, they better their future. We are dying here every blessed day and night. What a madness. Use your brain, no use your emotion. Think what I'm telling you. Wait and if will make you understand like a fighter. Now say, if you kidnap person for you, never kidnap a Frenchman. Now you kidnap him. Now your brother, now your sister. When an Anglophone, when you so constantly protect them, now you don't kidnap him. You ask for ransom, he give you the money, you take him. Now you inflict pain for you, now your sister, now your brother, now your own mommy, now your own papa inflict pain for him. Now Frenchman, no, life to go on normally for dollar. Think better, I don't kill a Frenchman, no. You go catch your sister, say na black leg, say don't follow me, you shoot her toe before he die. I want to ask you, you don't kill na who? Na Frenchman? The answer is no. Now still your sister, your brother, your own Anglophone person where don't kill him. After all, my brothers, ask yourself a question. Fosa with the goal. Which achievement we don't derive? Which achievement we don't get them by doing all these things? It never shake no nothing. We inflict pain on our own every day and night. They say Monday then a ghost town. Person come go do it in. You can't find it for your house smoke because you don't get advantage. You can't cut it. he hand remove him, or he shoot he die. You gain weight. You hurt now na your own brother. You hurt na President Pobia? No. You hurt na Cameroon government? No. You the hurt na your own them every day and night. My brothers, they will think what a madness. They will think this thing is a scam, it's a failure. But supposed to appreciate. Say after everything where it don't happen, the government should be very willing, good faith, for send hand of peace, for we for come back home because we don't be frustrated. And any frustrated human being, now more than if you think again, if you do anything to survive, because don't be frustrated. But the government understands will be own. The killing is too much within we. He put a hand up, he said, take him, you can't save your life. You say no, you choose for to do that evil. Because of this thief there for diaspora. You need to ask yourself a question. Which future that was the plan for you when you hold this gun? Nothing. When you die, they forget about you. You don't even think how if you live. You get wound, they forget about you. My brothers, una use una brain, una think. Any man with a fool, you say go carry gun. May take that gun, catch set example. Any better leader, they been at a war front, make people they follow you for back. Any better leader, they been at front, una follow you for back. Even at that doesn't make die, that's una die. Any leader they protect his own, na his shield, he protect his own. But now leader they protect their own, they shift, protect their so they live on a die foul. Una know very well, say no. For that bush hole una day. Now only una the suffer. The general they take and make their money. They get kind woman them. Surplus. They get kind woman, they kind girlfriend them. If una go kidnap, they take that money, they can give woman, they give 100,000 for sleep with woman. Chop the money anyhow. Big houses them around. Where una know. Una they even fear. Ask yourself a question, what should you do for that butch? Are you not a fool? For the work I find for job? What a madness. I be dull, I be that kind of mentality, but look at a madness. Man, my friend, if you use me the work money, they plenty, I think call them plenty example. This stupid man, film myself like he don't be houses them, get plenty money for your account. They catch his monster how much? It's an example. You get him a foolish micro, say Ikeku. This thief man, he get more than 11 women inside Nigeria, 11 house. Man tell you now, the cheapest motor for a door, na 2 million naira. He get hotel where he can fool and they go enjoy for Nigeria. I speak the truth. Ambassador don't like how they talk true. When you talk true, be their enemy. That's so Amber day. Now whatever Amber no go ever exist. Which kind of country now want to say me the give you? Oh, if you belong. Country where you get the highest gun if you talk. Country where person talk when you shoot and kill him. You know if you judge you. You know if you think of your own opinion count. Person when only your own opinion a count and the country one belong a dictatorship. When person talk his own mind, you kill him because he talk it true, because he advise you. My brother, anybody don't advise you to drop this gun, drop or better your life. We're supposed to be very happy for get a brother like me who can nurse away Clovis, to put his face out there, put his name. Tell una the idea, put una sense for una brain. We're supposed to be the happiest people then for me. Amazonian boys, a man tell una, because I'm gonna save you. I was sent to save you people. If the Bible talk and say, I will save you to save others. That is the truth. God saved my life. I not be greedy. Like others, when they be greedy, they shit down for their own. For why me they pay the money for they can't do it that they do. It's very normal. I don't care who here he talk, he vex. It's normal. We got thousands of us don't be surrender. Many don't integrate them. How many don't even put their voice out there, tell on the simple truth? They just be contented because they feel they fear. Because they want me to give them something. No. I do this because I love you people. Yes, and people are enemy. The worst if you do for your life, Amazonian fighter, will make me be your enemy. Because you no will ever survive. I swear to God to Bible. I tell you the simple truth, you no will ever survive. The worst thing is for you to make up your, to take me to your enemy. Because I don't take me to my enemy. Because I don't go through therapies. That anger in me no nonsense. You can look the way I talk. The way you have come before I respond to you, my brothers. More realizing all these things them. Now with the losses. The ghost town. Now all the losses. Now your papa, your poor mommy, your poor sister them. You say me no go for school. My brother, which country will be without education? That for the husband, no for go school, no for get this small door, no take am for fool now. Because no true education, I will get sense. Now when I say to me, no go school, so that for me they blind on her eye. But they are picking the devil after they go school. Look at that thing. We're supposed to she don't win this fight as on ground. Ask yourself a question. This man say more no go school, but picking the go school. This man say more goes down, more pursue all brother they work for government, more kill them. Say na black leg. But he did work for Europe, be better alive. It is sick aside, don't give work, he work. Why he get for work? He picking the go school. Why he picking the go school? Only the go school. My brother, more think. Think. Use your brain, not use your emotion, my brothers. Now, why that way? I just can't tell you now. Make you understand what to be DDR. And to answer their question, when you tell me, so who will pay you? My brother, I want to ask you, say, more look and say, more call a spade. I like to talk the truth. Check and say, Peter and Mary. You don't pursue Mary, come off your house. Sometimes you don't even born in a house in a black leg. You born Peter also in a black leg. Sometimes you don't even shoot Peter, Papa kill him. It's in a black leg. You don't tell Peter, say Peter go school, he will kill you. When Mary go school, he will kill you. Mary look at if here. He never get away for chop. Peter not get away for chop. For example, Peter wrong go for Douala. He go be IDP, the better in life. The struggle. He don't run na you. Your own brother fighter. Now, I want to ask you, say, when the government pay you money, we want to drop your account to say, may they give you how much they will give you. May they award you for your crime where you don't do them. May they give you the million. Then I want to ask you, say, wait you want to tell Mary and Peter where you no carry that gun. Now for tell Mary and Peter say, make them to go back for bush go carry that very gun. That's what you mean for tell me now. Because don't tell me say may no go school. May you no work. You don't drive it. You're supposed to may survive now. That's a question to ask yourself, say, wait, how do they survive? For Douala Yaoundé, how did they live? You say if you drop there, you're gone. Mary will be able to come out for Douala, come for a village, can't go to school. Better in life to let you. When you drop that gun, you go save it and you go save yourself. That's why you need to ask yourself a question, my brother. We say we fight for our people. More once we think of their advantage of their life, my brother. More no use anger because now anger destroy all things. Man, tell you something. When you be angry, you can never think. That's very normal thing where you do. When any man will be angry at that moment of time, any man will tell you anything for that damn time they angry, na thing where they follow him. Like for example, for our daily life, I like to quote example. You are dating a girl, you love her. Like example, then sometimes you don't come for visit that girl for your house, the girl don't come out, you call your phone. Sometimes you want pick herself. Sometimes the phone get low battery, you want pick her, the phone go off. They watch it on neighbor, you don't be angry. See when the girl don't come out, go for the kind of time, for the kind of day, no time, no do this, you start be angry. Because wait, your emotion don't already control you because of the love and your emotion don't carry you away. You already be angry, say, hey, that guy go cheat for me. You start be angry. At that time, you start vibrate. Say, me told the girl, what you get? What show me? My brother, that very moment, that will be vex. So your neighbor come on, carry pap. You say, well, Mr. John or Mr. Clovis, why you vex? You start testing my girl. You say, forget about anger. You know that girl fine. That crazy girl said, Langa can beat fine. My brother, at that time, that person just say, beat that girl. You must beat you when that girl come. Because wait, it don't instigate you with your own bad influence because you be angry. Because that will be angry, you can never take any good decision. That is simple truth. Because at that time, your emotion they control you. Because that girl if he comes self, you just use your hand, bam, you slap by what's it for he die. You cry out here. That more tell you say slap I don't wrong with you. You know the day. You go face the calamity we don't put them for yourself. My brothers, the more we think, more use our brain, more calm down, forget about the anger. Anger is solve nothing. If you want to retaliate for something someone don't do for you, you go end up lost your life at the process. You gain weight, nothing. At the day end, nothing will see happen. At the day end, Cameroon is one and indivisible. Nobody can change it. No, however you want to go die, you go die. Go circle them or you die. That is simple truth. Ambazona will never exist because we don't deserve to get a country for no aspect in life. Yes, we don't expect, we don't want because people go die. Look, how if you get country, we get small power. Look like commando. Wait do it. He gets small power like a general where they give. He no for go take his own brother, their own machine. Say na la Republic they give him. But if you understand that Pikin no surely run a village, come for better life, for manage that small Okada, for feed the same no go thief. You seize them, you dare say now you be king, now you the control. The one that shows say if you get that power tomorrow, you go climb onto your people. Then why are we fighting? We also want a change. Would you say be worse than the people who call us our enemy? We'll be worse than them. We be a threat to our population more than them. Now the simple truth that we eat them, my brother say. More forget about our greed of the 10 francs for bush. More drop the thing them. Because at the tail end you go die. At the tail end, all the things you don't commit at all, you don't do them all. Cameroon is one and indivisible. Put that to your score. Any person where they fool you, test me can get that gun. Leave the thing, go away. Better your life. You need to ask yourself a question again. Say 217. How many of them say on a camp? 218. How many of them say on a camp? It drop. 219. It drop. 220. It drop. Ask yourself a question. For side all the people they go. Sometimes we'll be there for 2017. We'll be there with 400, for example. 218. We'll do with 300. 219, we'll do with 200. 220, we'll do with 50. Ask yourself a question. First, all these people they go. Most of them don't die. No man don't think about them. Some of them don't know if they get grave. If you must say, the person don't die, now here they bury. Most of Ambazona boys will not get grave. Because ask yourself, we know if they bury someone, them will leave a battlefield and rotting. Ask yourself a question. Most of you will not get grave. Wait to say where now Clovis gave this. So if you remember, man say where the person gave this. If you get that remembrance, but most people don't get grave. The worst thing that for life, my brother. Most of us will not get grave. We know very well. Number two, sometimes most of them don't surrender. They don't either leave that struggle with them. They take for their own faraway side. The better than no one can to be Ambazona struggle. They don't run and run. Most of them don't surrender. Country DDR center. I know very well. Most of them don't die. Ask yourself a question: are you a Superman? That's a question if you think. Look as if you are the most dullest human being on earth. For the 220 you say carry gun. That is a madness, my brothers. That's not nothing for inside. Because you're supposed to ask yourself all those things, my brother. How many of them don't die who remember them? Now they first kill them. Now the so-called una president them, una big people una call them, una government, they say don't kill una self, kill una. Who kill Ivo? Na Ambazonian. They killing na killer, na who killing? Na Ambazonian. By who? By the so-called diaspora that for they die come out. They manipulate you for ground, you go do the act. Who kill Shina Rambo? Na Ambazonian. They come out from side, from diaspora, they kill it for you. My brothers, who kill Biabia? Kuraman, una born in a bona. My brother, the Ambazonian fighter, what a madness. Ask yourself a question, first how you go. Look yourself very well, sit down, calm down yourself. You don't for 1 minute you think about your life, think about yourself. You get a solution. You get a solution. My brothers, this thing not been a scam to say you surrender you define. DDR center is a reality. It's not a scam like diaspora. Because they don't made up when they don't be of lies telling, fake propaganda, misinformation, because they take an advantage of una predicament because most of us stagnant illiterate talk of history for this country. Ambazonian fight, I want to ask you people now, how many of you people have O levels? How many of you can even spell your names? How many of you even know what you are even doing? Most of you are drug addicts. They don't transform now to something else. A young, vibrant youth with a good future. They don't turn on a kind of level. They want to tell you, say, no, Me, Okanasewi Clovis, as your brother, and they can call you now, say, my brother, there is high time for you to live that thing. You can make a life. No be fed up for yourself. No feel like say your life mean nothing. No, you have a good future. This is not the end of your life. Thank God you are still alive. That the most is supposed to be appreciated. When you are alive today, you can walk even at 100 million. When I be alive today, I can walk even at 100 million. I can be whatever I want to be today or tomorrow by my own hard work. My brothers, una drop this thing and save your life. You can be even a minister in this country. You can be anything in this country. My brothers, more come back. We study hard for change the policy for the country. We need to go fight for we by diplomatic way, not by violence, because violence is add more kerosene inside fire. More can be this country. We change the policy them through pen and paper, through the influence of our education. We can change things around, not by using that gun. That person will say more use that gun. I tell you now, they don't fail for this country. Most of them are thieves. They don't fail for this country. So that is wrong about for Europe. They look this struggle like the only means for seek. May they recognize them back to the society for this Cameroon, for get a voice because of their political issues, them because of their own personal interests. None of them they fight for liberation. None of them. Yes, person like Ekeke Ebenezer Akwanga was a prisoner. He ran off a prison. I talk and he feared some man. Most of you are on active. Like Mark Barata for University of Buyaye, you cook atrocity there for here. You run and run. All them for day inactive people. Ask yourself a question: who do I rule now? Who do I be the country? Look their past history, their past background. You know, so all of them are thieves. My brother. People they don't ever see them for their life. They get dual nationality. They never even Cameroonian, say for the matter, for that matter, they never even Cameroonian. They get dual nationality. They don't nationalize for America, so and so own country. They tell me fight for your own country. My brother, we have to come back home because we have nowhere to go. Cameroon is my country. I'm proud to be a Cameroonian. Despite of the situation at hand. Yes, I'm proud to be a Cameroonian. And we can change this country to a better place. And me, I will stand to study hard, to make life, to work hard, to make this country a better place, a change. We can be politicians and tomorrow. We can be ministers and tomorrow. Top guns rankism. You feel say Atanga Jiport there for that place, so now you go to forever. Now you turn your own turn to the camp. Calm down. More can be our country. We go a small play the work, manage our life. From though you enroll yourself for school. You feel the work your part-time job. Then for evening time, enroll yourself for education. Tomorrow you want to look yourself get a degree. That time you follow program. We change the policy for the country. We change the country to a better place for us to make it a better place for us. Now our duty, now our right to make our country be a better place, not by destroying it. People that disagree for agree. We get small issue for our country, but the government don't understand. It don't calm down, create national dialogue, make a semi-cause situation come for peace. Show hand of peace. But this is come for the diaspora say, I'm bad at this one. I want to ask for the diaspora say, una fit tell me 100 Amber fighter them, their names don't die. I mean their full names. You don't even know them. They don't even know them. They lie and say, Amber surrender. Una still believe them. That way, the Kawai need to start them. We talk national say, hey, they don't pay in a scam. But it was a fighter. They will be say believer because it will be with that notion of thief and lies telling. Mine not for Cameroon, they will have the diaspora tell you that for Cameroon. Is that not madness? My brother, that's not madness. Up to the guys say, who to those surrender let me to see me now on face now fine. All things don't do them. You know if you talk again, now better to no the one like again my brother then look am Amber is dead and gone. What you can do is to save your life. Save your life. Thank you very much, my country people then. I just can't make una understand. You where the talk say will pay, you may understand, say, they are brother the faster to do it how. But I will tell you one thing. If you surrender, you gain amnesty and your life will be better. You will never regret it in the rest of your life. The best thing you can do and the best decision you can take is to surrender. It's not easy, I know, but it's a mind. It's a decision. Man picking and man picking. Don't behave like a woman. You be enter bush, that very courage, you enter bush, you know so you go die. Use that very courage, come back. Because there is no guarantee you for that bush if you live for the next 3 months in their life. But it's simple truth that way they. My brothers, the best thing you can do is to surrender your life. Save your life. Please. I want for life for Thompson as soon as I do for my corner. Say, hey, my brother will go for bush and end up for this kind of place. Yes. Now when I see I put my face for out because I want to save on life. Because I understand that I be brainwashed, I be manipulated, another reason. Because me, I don't see the light. I don't be for the both sides. I don't be for amber for bush. I fight with all things in me. For how many years I don't die. Kind people don't die. I don't bury kind people there for my front. I don't carry kind people gun, don't carry them, shoot and they know what they talk. But are they alive today? You're supposed to know, say, before are they alive? Now the will of God. Don't know if they are shit for my skin. Now God keep me alive. And that God mission will be fulfilled for my life. Now why that was supposed to thank God that they are alive today? If you have road die, my brother, you'll not forget this sense. We are the telling today. He never say be late for you. He go be late for you now when you don't decide you want to be stubborn. And when you stubborn, they say stubborn fly always follow the corpse to the grave. But they don't shit, the one come out, shit, the one come out. If the one go smell that body, they will put it for ground, cover them, it go. Don't be stubborn. You know over there, the government want to back. Come out. Thank you very much. And wait and if you tell my contributor want to understand, say, I ask you a question like a Cameroonian. Well, for the diaspora you there as a Cameroonian, get good you Cameroonian. What have you done where you don't contribute for the solution of this crisis? The government don't do its part. It be okay. It don't credit the health center. It don't grant amnesty for any man way surrender. For you, look as if you go astray, you come back, you be free. That's the most important thing that. Then from there, they reintegrate and better your future, your life. I want to ask you, say, wait, you don't contribute for solve the crisis. Nothing, you only make no noise. What you need to do now, go get fake profile, you write rubbish, you hide your face. Where you know if you carry the very gun. My brother, they say, who no go, no go, no. If you take a cry for corner here, my brother go no say, Kaki no be leather bar. I tell you, if you are young, you make it hear me. I mean, they talk. You ain't no go, no go, no. You say, Suru get a dance. Nobody people way in the fast. They are full stare. You go no say, this one will be set up. We don't ever hear Eki gonna cry for your corner. I'm more go sabi say leather, Kaki no be leather. No, they make fake Facebook profile, they make noise. Come out real like a real man. Real men don't hide. Come out like Clovis. No create and begin to write rubbish for Okonda. If you strong, go for go carry that gun. Very simple. If you strong, come out for dollar ya on the way you day, or for say we day. One of a Gabon way you day, can carry that gun for you. I guess one fool way he did for Gabon, I was die in himself. We begin talk rubbish. So other one, although I guess some good one for they talk for one and good people. I guess so idiot for they make noise. I want to say come on for that play for them carry baby man begin not rot them up. Man begin to talk plenty. Can dots I do am. I don't do am. I don't come out. You should say I pass you. I know where to be the struggle. Because I don't taste, I don't see am. Go taste am to see am. If you go fit. If you go fit, don't be na biscuit. Na biscuit, my brother there. Na man way no go, no. You're supposed to understand, say, me and you no belong with the same frequency. You be normal, man, just hear about Amber. You don't know what did happen for Amber. They say you, when you hear, say, you when you see am, na two different people. Me, I be the best example for any human being for Cameroon or for diaspora we want to take me here. Because they say, wait, experience is the best teacher. I don't pass through that process. I know what to do for that bush. I know where to be the struggle. I don't come out. I know where to play one day, where to be like. And whatever they can call you with a good faith, my brother, come out, save your life. And when they come out every day, you think now waiting. You think now waiting. What a madness. What a madness. I want to stay on a one. I will come live where I want between the Black Leg and the Ambazonian Facebook government. My next topic I can come. More compare our Igwe of all Black Leg with this thief them for the diaspora. More see the difference who be bad pass, who be good. At least the Igwe already come for Daniel Kasi people. And even if for the video over the talk about that I said because the topic they come. What a madness, my people. Hey, my brother them. What's the day for night? So na small boy, they also have early grave. Give na trauma. Don't know if make a see that they were Eric Tapam Ivo. If you want to make a live program, he picking the countries, may begin go, maybe no hear which way they talk. Because na evil, be ya oh you go take your picking books, whole gun, you snap with you. You tell that picking say wait. The more that picking grow up, you cut your head, you talk na some bad thing. Because not training for that. Yeah. The other editor today, the fool. He come on, he make his own video, video, make a live program. You see, come on, you don't show his small hands. One of us go back and made show you. You do fool, you see, don't the fight. Wait for their life. There is a guarantee. Say all the diaspora them, no one will die. They don't chop kind money, they no money to kill them. They will have a your brother chop one, they go kill you. They spray 100 times, go kill your own brother. They give you time, go kill your own brother. So man don't tell you say you go kill him. Now madness that. How many of them say they don't kill him? Ele mean na noise. The end. Now the kill yourself down every blessed day and night. They see call you say your boy, my boy, my boy. You know what to mean? Say they don't military you, they under you. What a madness. Ah, my brother then. When I woke up for sleep. I believe say I don't answer your question very well. You don't understand what it is DDR center. You don't understand which way you need for no ask and say if you drop your go to do you already explain that for you don't understand very well. So I believe say from after my live broadcast today, you know, ask me the very question and ask me again and again and again. I want to make una know say me una countryman, I be una brother. I do it what I do out of my own willingness, my own love, my own passion. What I get them for una. My people, they die every day for save them. They want to tell una say, all my people una stand up for save una life. The time don't reach. The time don't reach. Thank una very much. Thank all my country people them for all una support. Una dey give them for we, for una own very una fit give am. Thank una very much. I want to thank the king of all the Black Life Igwe, the countryman, MKPD. Daddy, I want to thank you again for giving me the privilege, the opportunity for get a platform like this where I feel shit on, I talk, people get my own point of view, my own experience, to make the people understand what be the madness about Ambazonian terrorism. It's a terrorism. Ambazonian are big time courtesan. I will can't prove on our time and it came on and know. Me, I be living a testimony where any of you that have been watching at the most go do that kind of thing. You need to think, my brother. Then, I tell you, I do. I don't mean say nothing over some years, but na nonsense. But I want to thank all the country people for accept we back. I want to thank the Cameroon government for the amnesty with the grant and for we and for anybody who will be willing, he will get the amnesty. I want to thank the government for your goodwill. Just that one alone. Pass anything if you ever give me. Will they give me the amnesty, the freedom where I can make my life the way I want to better my future. Thank you very much. I thank you for the amnesty I give for all my friends them, all my colleagues them. We do not surrender. I do DDR Center, both Northwest, Southwest. I thank the government for that behalf. And I want to apologize for the population. Say, we'll be very, very sorry for any way we don't wrong anybody. Mona find it hard to forgive we. Mona understand say the only way we can solve the situation now for we to reconcile. Because we not reconcile, we go to fight back, my brothers and sisters. Peace no will ever be for the country for the next 1 million years. Because we continue for one and the same circle every day. We not forget about that kind of and say, "Bo, you know you don't do it because will kill you." Nobody will kill you. They the only free me go die for nothing. My brother, you been a set up. I call you like your brother. I want to thank the government. My brother them, Una can't join una go on amnesty. Una better una life. Like others, they better their life. Look at me. Others, they plenty. You don't have to talk for yourself. No one for talk. Because they get their own different reasons in. They reason now. But no man no get right for tell some person something. You want to do something make more out of your willingness, for your own mind. No man no get no right for paste you up, for talk with you no one talk, or for do what you no one do. No, you must take a decision. Now why that way my opinion? Now my opinion, your opinion, your account. The way that fit tell you, give you like an advice, like somebody that don't be blind, they don't see. Now me, you say we never blind, no one know the pain we blind man go through. Man we never blind, only sympathize with you, but they feel your pain. But you don't blind, you see back. You see person who blind, you know the difficulty with inside blindness. That's what you did for struggle. That's what you did for the terrorism. Thank you very much for people there. I stand on the behalf of my brothers for really telling us. I thank you very much. Thank the government very much for the amnesty. Thank the population at large, the whole Cameroonian. Whether you are an Anglophone, you are a Francophone, we are all brothers. We are one people, I will remain one people. They say the best thing for people then for life, they never fight, brother, they never ever be fight. People they disagree for agree. Abuna brother, Ubuna brother, they will love una so much. Please, thank una very much. I beg una tuna there for that, so not think say this so this thing are only for we. Una put una voice there for help we too. We will save our life because we are one. Please, my people are really suffering of the Amazonian terrorism. Please, my people, thank una very much. God bless una. Una Conte Junior, Oka, Naseri, Clovis.